Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best parking mode dashcams available on the market for their true quality. These dashcams are perfect for providing peace of mind when your car is parked, offering advanced features like motion detection, collision detection, and time-lapse recording. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Kingslim 4K dashcam. This budget-friendly option offers great value for its price, featuring 4K front and 1080p rear recording, ensuring crystal clear footage for both driving and parking scenarios. With a compact 1.5-inch screen, it's designed to stay discreet on your windshield, making it ideal for drivers who prefer a minimalist look. The 5G Wi-Fi connectivity brings a convenient app control experience, allowing you to download videos or adjust settings on your smartphone without removing the dashcam. Performance-wise, the Kingslim shines with its dual parking monitor modes. The G sensor instantly records and locks video during impacts, while the time-lapse mode compresses hours of footage into manageable clips. However, keep in mind that a hardwire kit is required for continuous parking recording. It's built to withstand heat with its no-lithium battery design, ensuring safety and durability in warmer climates. While it's an excellent pick for budget-conscious buyers, the Kingslim has a couple of limitations, such as a smaller screen that might be cumbersome for previewing videos directly on the device. Additionally, its night vision performance is decent, but doesn't quite match the clarity of higher-tier models. Overall, this dashcam is perfect for everyday drivers who want basic parking surveillance without breaking the bank. Coming in at number 4 is the AZ Dome M01 Max dashcam. This model offers 4K front and 1080p rear recording capabilities, with a free 64GB card included right out of the box, so you can start using it immediately. Its standout feature is the convenient app control, which lets you manage settings, view recordings, and share footage effortlessly via the AZ Dome app. The dashcam also includes built-in ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance System, for enhanced safety alerts, making it ideal for long road trips and city driving. The M01 Max is equipped with 2 parking modes: collision detection and time-lapse recording. The collision detection mode locks videos during impacts, while the time-lapse mode provides continuous surveillance without draining your car's battery. The waterproof rear camera adds extra versatility, ensuring reliable recordings even in rainy conditions. However, note that a hardwire kit is required for parking mode functionality. While the AZ Dome M01 Max delivers excellent video quality and user-friendly app functionality, its bulkier design and average night vision performance might not appeal to all users. It's a great option for tech-savvy drivers who prioritize app control and advanced safety features, but those seeking compactness or top-tier night vision may want to explore other options. At number 3, we have the Spurleaf 4K dashcam, a feature-packed model that's perfect for drivers seeking robust parking surveillance. This dashcam stands out with radar motion detection technology, which monitors your vehicle and begins recording when people or objects approach. It includes an OBD power cable for easy installation, complete with low-voltage protection to prevent battery drain, a thoughtful addition for hassle-free setup. The Spurleaf delivers stunning 4K front and 1080p rear recordings, complemented by wide-angle lenses to eliminate blind spots. Its 3.16-inch touchscreen offers an intuitive interface, allowing for quick navigation between settings and file previews. With advanced night vision technology, this dashcam ensures clear footage even in challenging lighting conditions. The free 128GB SD card provides ample storage space, and the dashcam supports expandable storage up to 256GB. While the Spurleaf excels in video quality and user-friendly design, its slightly higher weight and unique radar feature might not appeal to all users. This dashcam is ideal for families, rideshare drivers, and anyone looking for cutting-edge parking security, but it might not be necessary for casual drivers who park in secure areas. Our runner-up is the Overman K800 3-channel dashcam, a powerhouse designed for drivers who want full coverage. It records in 4K front, 1080p rear, and 1080p inside, offering an impressive 360-degree view of your vehicle. With adjustable rear and interior cameras, it's perfect for monitoring passengers, cargo, or even pets. The 3.2-inch screen provides real-time monitoring, ensuring your dashcam is always working as intended. Equipped with HDR, WDR, and infrared night vision technologies, the Overman delivers exceptional video quality in all lighting conditions. Its built-in GPS and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi enable seamless app control, allowing you to track routes and share footage instantly. The included 64GB SD card ensures continuous loop recording, while the G-sensor locks collision videos for added protection. While the Overman's versatility and recording quality make it a standout, it's slightly bulkier and requires a hardwire kit for parking mode. It's a fantastic choice for rideshare drivers, fleet owners, and anyone seeking comprehensive vehicle security. But casual drivers may find its extensive features unnecessary. Taking the top spot is the ROVE R2-4K dual dashcam, a premium model that combines cutting-edge technology with outstanding performance. Featuring 4K front and 1080p rear recording, this dashcam provides ultra-clear footage of the road ahead and behind. The Sony Starvis 2 sensor ensures superior night vision, making it an excellent choice for nighttime drivers. With a 3-inch IPS screen and built-in GPS, you can monitor live speed, compass direction, and precise routes directly on the device. The ROVE stands out with its ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi, allowing you to download videos at up to 20 megabytes per second via the ROVE app. Its 24/7 parking mode offers 3 options: motion detection, collision detection, and time-lapse recording, ensuring comprehensive surveillance. The included 128GB SD card provides ample storage, and the dashcam supports up to 1 terabyte of external memory for extended use. While the ROVE is slightly pricier than other options, its unmatched video quality, advanced features, and durable build make it worth every penny. It's perfect for drivers seeking top-tier security and convenience, and its premium design ensures longevity for years to come. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.